It's the summer holidays, and the Paw Patrol are going to the beach. Yay! But remember, safety first. Let's learn how to stay safe and have fun at the beach. It's very sunny today, pups. So it's important that we put on our sun hat and our sunscreen to protect our skin. Okay, Ryder, we'll get changed. These hats will protect us from the sun's rays. And pups, don't forget the sunscreen. And sunscreen on, we're ready to go and play in the sand. Let's dive in. I'm going to go and build a sandcastle. Rubble, wait! It can get very crowded at the beach and it's easy to get lost. Remember to always play near your grown-ups. Yay, I'm going for a swim. Ready for a splash? Only if an adult is watching. Always make sure to stay near your grown-ups when you play near the sea. And stay near the edge of the water. Never go too far in. Yay! Splash, splash, splash! The beach is a great place to have fun, but always make sure to keep safe. Rubble, this sandcastle is amazing! Well, I am a builder, pup. Hey, let me see. Whoa! Oof! Oh, Marshall, you're so clumsy. And one more thing. At the beach, it's very easy to get dehydrated. Remember to always drink plenty of water. I'm on it. Water cannon. Great job, pups. Protecting your skin in the sun, staying near adults, being careful in the ocean, drinking plenty of water, and keeping safe at the beach. Paw Patrol are on a beach safety roll. Remember, kids, stay safe and have fun at the beach. It's been great fun learning beach safety with you and the Paw Patrol today. Subscribe for more weekly educational videos and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!